Hello, everybody. I'm out doing yard work and just got through doing a little bit of weed eating, and I'm going to show you a little bit later how I clean up after I weed eat. I have a pretty simple solution, and people wonder, they say, Bill, you work all the time, but you learn to work pretty efficient. So anyway, I'm going to show you how I clean up after I weed eat. Anyway, I came in and I poured the last cup of coffee out, and everybody's just kind of we were up late last night. We had meetings till pretty late. We did get to bed pretty early. But anyway, they want coffee. I've already had most of my coffee, so I'm making some new coffee. The out of coffee as far as the beans that I keep in. And anyway, don't know if you can see this or not, but this is called Blue Thunder Blend. It's made by Klatch Coffee. It claims it's rich, full-bodied, smoky with sweet tones. And where coffee is, the conversation. It comes in a 12-ounce bag. Anyway, I wanted to read to you what Klatch is. I didn't know. By definition, Klatch is casual gathering or coffee and conversation. So that's what we're doing now. We're having a Klatch, coffee and conversation. But to us, it's much more. It's a philosophy, a culture, a merger of all elements in coffee working in concert to make up the art that is Klatch coffee. Okay, I'm getting all excited here. How we Klatch. Our Klatch begins with farmers who produce for us the top 1% of coffee beans from around the world. We then roast each bean to its unique peak of flavor profile and rush to customers with the roasted date and not an expiration date. So anyway, keep the conversation going. They're at Klatch, K-L-A-T-C-H, roasting, R-O-A-S-T-I-N-G, all one word, .com, and KlatchRoasting.com, their Facebook, Twitter, and this other sign right here that I'm not familiar with yet. Got a lot of learning to do, but anyway, y'all can take a picture of that. And somebody tell me what that symbol in the center right there is. I'm not familiar with it yet. But anyway, learning about how to YouTube and doing this stuff. I'm just showing you guys what I use, and I'm not really trying to do a commercial or anything, and just sharing with you. So anyway, I'm going to make up this Klatch, and I'll put a link to how we make coffee. Mom was holding the video. I hope y'all are having a great day, because we are.